What's going on, man? Welcome back to another video, man. It is your boy FatKat, of course, bringing you another one. You guys see it back there, man. Hellcat. Basically, go mango, man. But anyway, we're gonna talk about all that, man. But anyway, Challenger Hellcat we got back here, man. Super dope. So obviously, man, I'm gonna have the owner come in. We're gonna talk about everything we got done to this car, man. He is from the Outlaws here in Central Florida. Super dope dude, man. Super dope crew. If you guys see my video with the at the Ace Cafe, man, you guys seen that some of them were out there, man. They looked out for me and everything else, man. So can't say enough about them, man. But anyway, without further ado, man, let's bring in the owner. Let's talk about this build. So we got my man here, of course. Go ahead and introduce yourself to everybody.
My name is Danny. I'm from the Mopar Outlaws. They call me Repo. This is my 2016 Dodge Challenger.
Hey, matter of fact, yeah, let's get this way so we can get it in the frame.
All right. And
so it is a what? A 16?
It's a 16 Hellcat.
Okay.
Minor mods, springs, B-Woody intake. I threw some wheels on it.
Oh, we're going to talk about that as we walk around the car real quick.
Okay.
But real quick though, shout out your IG so everybody could go check it out.
All right. You could catch me at Repo_SRT6 on Instagram, and my Facebook is Danny Nasser, NASR.
And then on top of that, like I said, I did shout it out a little bit, but let them know your squad, your team, your car club, everything else. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, been part of Mopar Outlaws now for about a year and a half now. Very good people. We have the pristine show over at Ace Cafe, which is Mopar's at Ace. It just turned out to be something huge. Car clubs as far as Jacksonville, Tampa, you know, our boys Fast, Modded Muscle, you know, they all come out to support. I got nothing but love and respect for all the teams that come out. Right. It's definitely a good thing to see the Mopar community come together. You know, we all got each other's back. I'm big on that. And it's just a family feeling, man. And I just definitely want to shout out the Mopar Outlaws of Florida as well for letting me into their family and taking me and my car in. For sure, man. And like I said, so he just mentioned it, man. If you guys see my video of that Mopar meet, basically, it wasn't not even a show, it's a meet. It's just a meet. It really is a meet, and that had basically about 200 cars. Yeah, there. We clocked in at they clocked the cars with a right. I guess that click thing they use. 191 cars we got. 191 cars on Saturday. It was just amazing. Wow, and like I said, that was just a meet. That was just a meet. That's crazy, man. I can't wait to see what our anniversary is gonna look like. Wow. So when is the anniversary? We don't know. I don't know yet, but I'm sure when it comes around, it's definitely gonna be. That's dope, man. It's gonna be big. So like I said, so these are guys that put it on, man. Like I said, they show mad love to me for being out there as well, man. So I got nothing but love for them as well. But like I said, they're the ones who put it on, and like I said, it just keeps growing and growing and growing. So for sure, man. So let's talk about the car, though, man. It's the star of the show. Do you have a name for her? Or is it a him or her? It's a him. Okay. He is named after a Generation 1 Transformer called Sunstorm. Okay. And Sunstorm was Starscream's twin, but he's orange. Gotcha. It's an orange F1 jet. Gotcha. So he's named Sunstorm after the jet. That's dope, man. So is this factory? The orange is in factory? It is factory. So that is Go Mango. Gotcha. Yep. Go Mango. Factory painted SRT hood from Dodge. That was a $2,000 option. Oof. It's got the Downforce Solutions wicker bill and splitter. Okay. I did the stance wheels in 22-inch. Wrapped them with Nitto Invos. Stance wheels 22-inch. Yup. With Nittos. Yup. You got the big Brembo brakes, obviously, because this is a Hellcat. Yup. So let's not get it confused. Right. Now this stripe right here, a lot of people think this is my design. It's not. A couple of months ago, a buddy of mine named Joe Bracha died. Okay. He had a yellow Scat Pack, and this is his stripe that was on his Scat Pack. Wow, that's so in memory of his life, I took his stripe with the permission of his wife to have it done on my car. So this is my friend Joe's stripe, and I had the Hellcat put on the side along with the SRT on the quarter panel. So not a lot of people do know that is a memorial for my friend, the stripes on the side of my car. That's dope, man. Yep. Super dope, man. Yep. So obviously these are stance wheels again in the back. So what size do you have in the back here? I believe they're 285, 30, 22. Okay. Yep. So it's what is it, 22 by 10 and a half? 22 by 10 and a half and 22 by 9 in the front. Dope.
Super dope. And then back here we have the wicker bills, you said, right? Downforce Solutions?
Yup, Downforce Solutions, wicker bill. Dave and the boys down there did an immaculate job. Love those guys. Shout out to them. Yup. I got my Sunstorm logo on the back there, repping G1 Transformers. Yep.
Super dope, man. You have anything done to the exhaust?
It's just mid muffler delete, and I don't need nothing else than that, man. That thing is stupid loud. So I'm good with that.
You're good with that. All right.
I'm good with that.
That's what's up.
Yep.
And of course we see Mopar Outlaws here.
That is the throwback decal. We don't have them no more. So that's the original Mopar Outlaws.
So that's how you know you were OG when you got that one right there.
That's the original right there. Yes, sir.
Super dope, man. As you know, I'm kind of biased, man. You know, I got the Go Mango, so you know, I'm biased as well.
Go Mango's where it's at.
Super dope all the way around, man. And then again, as you guys seen in the B-roll, Mopar Outlaws there, man. Make sure you guys go check them out. You guys got a Facebook page for your for Outlaws?
Yep. It's Mopar Outlaws of Florida, and we're also on Instagram. Mopar Outlaws of Florida as well on the IG.
Okay, dope, man. So let's check out what we got under the hood. Everybody wants to know everybody wants to see a Hellcat. You know, what's under the hood of a Hellcat always. Oh, actually, you know what? Before we do that, we didn't talk about your lights in the front, man. All the
okay.
Yeah, we didn't talk about that.
The lights are done by my boy Tyler down at Family of Generations Garage, Plant City. Dude is awesome. His work is very pristine. I'm real picky about my car. He did a clean cut job. I really never have no problems with him. These things change all kinds of colors, and
it's dope, man.
Looks like something out of Old Town.
and that's who was that again?
Tyler Janecki. You could catch him on Facebook, and I think if you look up Family of Generations Garage, you'll find him on there. That's actually his logo. That's on the right front corner of my hood.
And he's out of where again?
Plant City.
Okay, I'm asking that for me.
Yeah, okay, yeah. He's out of Plant City. Awesome dude. Big in the Mopar community with these lights.
Yeah,
he's done many Mopars. He started branching out doing Mustangs, and I'm hearing he's getting good reviews from that. He did the Demon Eyes, the Oracles, and he did the SRT badge for me, and he did my engine lighting as well.
So we're gonna get with this afterwards. We're gonna get all this information from me, and I want to know, you know, prices and all the other good stuff. I could probably get with him as well, but that's dope. That's probably one of the dopest set that I've seen, man. It just looks super dope and nice and clean. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So I like that. All right, man. Let's get to the good part.
Okay. Yes, sir. That's perfect.
All right, so let's talk about it, man. So what do we have in here?
Basically, it's a stock Hellcat supercharged Hemi. Really nothing much under the hood. I do keep it clean. I'm always on top of it with a towel.
Obviously.
I had an AFE intake in here. I just recently took it off about 2 days ago. I missed the wine from the B Woody intake, so I was like, you know what? It's just black. It looks bland. So I got me some engine enamel, painted it orange and blue. I threw it back on there, and I got this wine. You could probably hear me from 2 blocks away.
So you just put that in a couple days ago?
I've always had this.
Oh, okay.
I went to a different intake, but I missed the wine from the supercharger.
So you put this one back in?
So I went back to that.
That's what I'm saying.
And I actually like this one better. So
wow.
I do like the B Woody. As you can see, got the engine lights over there.
Yep.
I got a whole strip down here as well, running around the whole front.
So everything here is lit up.
At night, this whole thing's lit up.
That's dope, man. So is it white or orange?
It's whatever color I want.
Oh, so it's all kind of different colors.
It'll strobe, fade.
Did he do that as well?
Yeah. Yeah.
Okay. As I'm doing this video, I'm also getting information because
absolutely, man.
But this is super dope, man.
Tyler is super great. I trust him.
That's what's up, man.
I trust him, and that's a big thing when you're giving your car to somebody. You gotta have that trust.
You gotta have that trust, exactly.
Gotta have that trust.
So this is super dope, man. As you guys know, man, it's a Hellcat mode. I mean, what else do you want? You guys know, man, that logo right there says it all, man. Supercharged Hemi, you know, it's a Hellcat 707. Have you ever put it on the dyno or anything like that just to see what it was doing?
No.
No?
Not at all. I am looking forward to try to find out what's what.
So let me tell you. So I don't know if you've ever heard. We just did it. They do it annually. We just did it out in, I think it was like March or April. It's called Horsepower Wars, Diablo Sport. They put on a thing. I'll let you guys know. Now that we know each other,
Yeah,
obviously I'll put you guys on.
We'll squad up and roll.
But we just did it. Actually, this is a dope event. I mean, super dope event. They put out. Actually, you know what? That's not even for this video. I'll tell you afterwards. But for you guys in the video, man, you guys know, man. I did a video on it. Horsepower Awards by Diablo Sport out in Sanford. It's a super dope, man. But I'll let you know, man, because you could run your car for free. So I'll let you know that. Anyway, man, so like I said, super dope, man, for obviously it's a Hellcat, man. I love the Go Mango. Super clean installs. Nothing crazy. Just super clean, man.
Just super clean, man.
Love it.
Super clean.
So anything else you want them to know?
That's it, man. I mean, I respect you as a person. I respect your channel. I follow you hard on YouTube.
I appreciate that, man. It's love.
You do an amazing job. Amazing job. You're always out here, you know, showing love to everybody. You're going out to the different events, and you know that's all from the heart right there. And I respect you,
bro. I appreciate, bro.
I respect you for that.
I appreciate that,
and
bro.
I respect you for coming out and sharing your day with the Mopar Outlaws as well.
No doubt, of course.
Welcome. You know, you're all fam to us. Come on down.
Appreciate that 100%, man.
You guys come down, hang out. It's always a good time.
Appreciate that 100%, man. Like I said, you know, I'm out here, you know, putting in the work and everything else, and everybody that shows me love, I show massive amounts of love. And at the end of the day, there's a reason why I do it is because, you know, there's not a lot of people out in Tampa, in Florida, that are really putting out the scene. You know, the Florida car scene, man. So I just call myself the reporter, man. I just want to report everything and everybody. No beefs, no nothing, man. Just show love to everybody, and like I said, show off everybody's beautiful build, like as this one right here. So I mean, that's what it's all about, man.
It's crazy. It's just within a matter of these last, I'd say a little bit under a year, on how everyone from Jacksonville to the Keys and the whole Mopar community, it's like we all just became one out of nowhere.
Exactly.
Like we all bouncing. We got people running down there. We got people running up there. It's just,
right.
It's just crazy. And you know the camaraderie that we get when we on the highway doing those 60-mile, 70-mile cruises, man. There's always, you know, we always wreaking some type of friggin' havoc.
Exactly, bro.
You know,
that's that Mopar world, man. But again, it's a tight-knit community, especially down here in Florida, man. So Mopar, no car, man. And like I said, we show love to everybody, man. That's what it's about, man.
Absolutely.
That's what it's about, man. So again, man, appreciate my dude Danny here, man. Again, make sure you guys go follow him. Give it to him one more time, man.
Repo_SRT6. And if you wonder why I said SRT6, the name is split in two. SRT for my Dodge, and that number 6 for everyone that knows me is my decked out Grand National.
Woo! Alright, so you guys heard it here first. We got another feature coming on that.
There you go, yeah. Buick was featured last year on GM EFI.
Damn.
And they did a whole little piece about my my brother that had passed away.
Wow.
And how my car is linked with my brother.
Wow. So there you go, man. So we're gonna end it off on that note, man. Again, great dude, man. Great club, great everything, man. I can't appreciate, you know, can't thank them enough. Super dope people, man. So make sure you guys go follow him. Like I said, this car's a beautiful build. I'm sure he got a lot more to come, and we got another feature to do, man. So you guys are gonna see him again.
Be a Grand National in the future.
There you go, man. So again, man, thank you guys very much, man. Like I said, it's my dude here. As you guys know, man, like I said, we out here showing love to everybody, man. As you guys know, like we just finished talking about right now. So that's what it is, man. That's what it's all about. So again, man, appreciate my guy Danny, man. It's not the last you're gonna see of him. Like I said, we out there in the Ace Cafe and all these different events that's going on, man. So we're gonna bring everything to y'all, man.
All day.
Again, man, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell, man. You guys know what it is. You know I'm your boy FatKat, man. And from me, my dude Danny, man, we see you on the next one, man.
Later. Take care, peeps.